My name's Professor Bill Buchanan, and I'm a professor within Edinburgh Napier University. The world has to change, and GDPR will force that world change more than anything else. Our data has been harvested by cloud service providers. They see a great business model in us, and they want to use our data. They give us free services, but for that service, they take all our data, and they really break the internet, and they break human trust. So the issues that we're now seeing about the data that's being used by companies and how they sell that data on is now bringing to the forefront that we're now into a new era, and this era is the information age. And at the core of this information age is our data. We have complete ownership of the data. We should have consent. So companies need to build new models of trust. They need to define who really owns the data, how it's governed, and we should have complete rights as to how we can take our data back and know how that data is being used. And that really will change virtually every single data infrastructure that we've almost ever created. The concept of pseudonymization is something that takes data infrastructures forward, and we would like to move to a point where you had complete anonymization of data, and that only by knowing the original source of an identity could you trace any part of that data. That for us is creating the internet as it was meant to be created. The Trisent innovation has that built into it as the core, without any legacy at all, building the best cryptography, using blockchain methods, and defining trust and trust in the citizen as a core part of the whole infrastructure that's being created. And we support that completely, and we think that this is the way forward for a new world to be created.